Welcome to Explore Everywhere Media, where we explore the world through paddling routes and hiking trails, go on some amazing adventures, and meet the people who love and protect them. On this episode, we head somewhere a little bit different. We're in the United Kingdom. We've been to a couple trips there now, and always find amazing hiking trails, amazing history, so much to explore there. This specific adventure is to Malham Cove, which is in the Yorkshire Dales National Park. And it is over a 200-foot cliff, which used to be a waterfall about 10,000 years ago. During the Ice Age, it was frozen underneath, so the water ran over top of it, made a big, huge waterfall, and wore out the top of the cliffs into a weird pavement, which is really cool. And I think it was in 2021, there was enough rain that actually it created a waterfall again, but now it's just a 200-foot limestone cliff. Amazing valley, the stream runs out from underneath the cliff. There's peregrine falcons there in the summertime and lots of climbers and stuff. So just an amazing place to explore. So let's go on an adventure. Everywhere. They probably picked them.
It would have taken forever to get all those.
Yeah, hundreds of years probably.
Yeah, it should be like.
But they pick rocks out of the fields for the most part.
Yeah, I guess.
But still.
It seems like an excessive amount of rocks.
There's a lot of
all in one place.
Good observation.
Back in the 7th and 8th century.
Very good observation.
Thank you. Thank you. Like they must have ordered them on Amazon and had them shipped to this area.
Probably didn't have Amazon Prime back then.
No, so they would have had to pay for shipping.
Yeah. On the rock story.
So in the absence of Amazon Prime or Amazon, because it probably didn't exist back then.
Yeah.
I am now
in the 6th century.
Changing my theory that maybe they got the rocks from the rock wall.
Yeah.
Maybe it wasn't a rock wall then, but after they took all the rocks from it, then it became a rock wall.
Yeah.
Mystery solved. We know where they found the rocks. It's a big mystery, but we figured it out. So they got them over there, over there, over there, over there. Probably over there.
Keep up on the
all around. They got them everywhere.
Keep up on the peak.
Ooh, wow. Looks like a Lion King sheep.
Yeah. I do see them. That's cool. Just a few steps out there.
Lots and lots of steps.
View. Ooh, look at the view.
This is one of those hills where you think you're at the top and
you're really
there's
not.
more. No, I don't think so.
I thought we were at the top down there, so.
So cool. cool.
Whoa.
What is that? Where the old waterfall flowed through? It's so cool. It is too, eh? Must be like the main. This whole thing must have been underwater at certain points. Oh wow. It's weird. I've never seen an ancient waterfall before. Who knew there was an ancient waterfall out here in the wherever we are?
It's a good thing about not researching things too much.
Yeah.
You discover it.